Same start as everyone. Let's see what's coming next.
हर शुरुआत जरूरी होती है. Beginnings look simple until it's your turn.
हर मूव का एक रिस्पॉन्स होता है. It's not just about the first step, it's about the connections you make after.
First day, सब कुछ नया था. Faces, places, even the silence felt different. I thought college would be a solo game, survive on your own. But फिर किसी ने help की. Simple सी बात थी, पर उस moment में लगा maybe life isn't about playing alone. Connections ही तो असली strategy है. बाकी सब just pieces on the board.
क्या हुआ? डर गए? All because I played a move you didn't expect?
Not everything goes according to plan. Sometimes even your best move fails. And for a second, everything feels like it's slipping away. But then you pause. Take a breath. Pressure तो game का part है. You don't quit. You learn the board again. One calm move at a time.
Sacrifices have to be made. People see the win, but not what you give up for it. Every late night, every skip plan. एक silent move होता है board पे. Sacrifices are the price of greatness. To stay ahead, you have to let go. Maybe that's just what it takes. Or maybe that's just what it costs.
The quest for something greater doesn't always necessitate sacrificing what's already good. We spend so much time trying to play life like a perfect game. Every move calculated, every risk measured. But sometimes the board doesn't need strategy. It just needs a little heart. We call it focus when we shut the world out. And maybe that's just fear in disguise. Fear of losing control, fear of not being enough. And then, one small laugh, one silly moment with people who see you. It reminds you what you've been missing. The game doesn't always reward sacrifices. Sometimes it rewards connection. Some things are meant to be lived, not traded.
Sacrifice. They call it a choice. Give up what you love, skip what feels good, ignore everything that distracts you, all for some distant idea of success. Fear doesn't go away, the pressure doesn't lighten. You can't just laugh it off, you can't just pause and breathe. Every moment wasted, every misstep, that could cost everything. I have my patterns and they keep me safe. So yes, I sacrifice, I push, I endure, I lock myself away because I refuse to fail. And if that makes it hard, if that makes it lonely, then so be it. Success doesn't wait for comfort, and sacrifice is the only way.
Having a plan for going where you want in life is good, great even. But what you have to realize is life isn't on pause right now. वो एक चीज पाने के लिए you can't give up everything that makes you happy now. क्या गारंटी है तुम्हें कि वो मिलने के बाद भी तुम उतने ही खुश रहोगे जितना तुम्हें अब लग रहा है? So break that shell, or you'll just end up suffocated.
And so, even if it turned my world upside down, I did it. I broke out of my shell because this time, what scared me more than losing was losing myself.
It's good that you've broken out of your patterns, but freedom's tricky. One wrong step and everything blows up.
I know, but I'm so close though. Just one last push. I just need to focus.
Focus can be blinding too. It makes you miss what's happening on the side. अपने surroundings का भी ध्यान रखना जरूरी है.
Wait, I've got this. Let me just do it. Check this.
Mr. Fresher 2024 is Yugaksha guys.
Not yet. You were so focused on victory that you completely missed my bishop. You only cared about winning.
It's all gone. सब खत्म हो गया.
अरे इट्स ओके, हार जीत तो चलती रहती है. यू वर सो फोकस्ड ऑन विक्ट्री कि तुम गेम एंजॉय करना भूल गए. बट इट्स ओके, यू हैड फन ना. द पार्टिसिपेशन, द एक्सपीरियंस, वही असली जीत है.
You're so right.
And cut.
चाय पीने चले.
चाय पीते हैं.
तू फॉर्म भरा था वैसे?